An exotic lifestyle set in a blissful township awaits you at Nature City. Nature City is an assortment of luxury villas coming up at Bowrampet. The township opens up to a majestic entrance arc. As you drive through the spacious driveways, you are greeted by a row of elegantly designed villas on either side, surrounded by lush green landscaped spaces. The east-facing villa, measuring 165 square yards, allows for a grand view with its impressive facade. A typical room layout on the ground floor starts with a foyer, a puja room, an expensive living room, and a lavish main bedroom. Further ahead, you have an opening dining area, well-stocked kitchen. On the first floor, up front is a family lounge. Which is flanked by a master bedroom and a children's bedroom. The second floor is reserved for an exclusive home theatre room. The west-facing villa, measuring 165 square yards, is also built along similar lines. The quality and design are set to impeccable standards, and every building adheres to them without fail. A refreshing array of amenities await you at Nature City Clubhouse. With world-class amenities like an exclusive reception, cafe, a host of indoor games, fully fitted gymnasium and a multi-purpose court. Your recreation is taken care of. You can enjoy a splash at the swimming pool, or take a stroll in the lawns. A game in the badminton court, or relax in the gazebo. Other facilities include a children's playing area and a basketball court. Nature City is a closely knit community featuring carefully crafted collection of 66 luxurious villas built with sophisticated construction standards and an immaculate attention to our customers' needs. You can experience the grandeur of living in a magnificent villa, coupled with the joy and warmth of community living. The venture is located in the heart of Bowrampet, making all the city's contemporary landmarks. like JNTU, Miapur Metro Station, Pragati Nagar, very close to educational institutions like Laurus Universal School, Creek Planet School, VNR Engineering College, Oak Ridge School, Delhi Public School, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, medical colleges and hospitals like Mamta Medical College and Hospital, Malla Reddy Medical College and Hospital, SLG Hospitals, Relief Hospital, and corporate pharmaceutical companies like Reddy's Lab, Aurobindo Pharma. Welcome to Nature City by Vajra Builders and Developers.